BTS, BTS, BTS. Welcome to another episode straight from Las Vegas. And we're just gonna forget the Las Vegas vlog. It was definitely not the best Vegas trip we've had. We're in LA at the Renaissance Hotel, super close to the airport, super close to the SoFi Stadium, as you already could have guessed. We're here to see BTS. And Chantel really wanted to stay here. This is a very nice hotel, so we'll do a quick walkthrough of the hotel. So when you come in through the door here, we have the bathroom. Not as big as the one in Vegas, because a lot of the California hotels are very compact. This is like one of the most pricey hotels too. But she really wanted to check this place out, which I think it's worth the money. Very clean, super nice. Mirror, sink, toilet, shower. Pretty basic stuff here. We walk out to the main floor. Closet. Closet in here. Got a mirror. Bed, couple lamps. Very nice setup here. Look at this. Very modern. Huge TV. Walk over here. There's like a little workspace. We got ice bucket cups. Chantel's here. I don't know what she's doing. And then we have the window and the view. I mean, it's a basic LA view. I mean, you can't expect much, but it is a view. So today is Saturday. We're not going to the Saturday show, we're going to the Sunday, November 28th show. So maybe by the time this gets uploaded, you guys who are at the Saturday and Sunday show will see this vlog, and maybe some of you guys would have seen me. I don't know, let me know if you guys saw me. I haven't been to LA for like 7 or 8 years, so I don't know what there's to do here. I know there's a lot to do, but I just haven't done the research. I kind of just focus in Vegas. So Chantel's gonna take control here and I guess take us around. So let's get going. All right guys, so we took a 48-hour Uber from our hotel to the line front store. Look at the line, holy crap. Yeah, so we're somewhere over here. The store's over there. The line is all the way. It's crazy, and tomorrow's gonna be even worse if we go in line for the merch at the stadium. Whoa, it's crazy. Hey, first meal in LA in like 7 or 8 years. You know, just on a little diet here. Alright guys, we're here at Santa Monica Pier. It's my first time here. It's pretty neat, it's pretty cool. Reminds me of like a mainland Waikiki kind of vibe. Them is dirty as piss, alright? That's like the one thing that was super weird. I would never take a shit in there. On that IG duty, 1, 2, 3. Am I taking pictures? Yeah, I'm trying to get every single angle. Exactly. Alright guys, first time at Chipotle. We got the smoked brisket, cilantro rice, corn, cheese, guac, black beans. Today is the day. It is BTS day. Guys, it's so cold. I underestimated the weather here. I didn't bring a jacket. I wish I did. It's freezing, but we're like a solid 20 minutes away from the hotel. So it's too late to get a jacket. I'm rocking a t-shirt. I think the thing that's blowing my mind the most though is that wherever we've been walking, all the way driving to Target, there's been armies all over the place. Every single hotel, there's armies lining up for the bus. When we went to Target, the women's restroom, the line was super long. No one was waiting for the men's restroom. We go to Chipotle, everyone in Chipotle is wearing their BTS costumes or their outfits for them. Sorry, camera battery died. I'm glad I brought a spare. Imagine if I didn't bring a spare for like the most important vlog of this whole trip. Stadium's over there. You guys can see it far out there. So we're gonna follow the balloons to the stadium. Yeah, we're almost there, guys. Let's go. Look at all the people here. It's like 3 hours to the event, and the merch line is still it's been long. We luckily shout to Davin for getting merch for us because I was not about to stand in that line. Look at this. This is insane. So Chantel made these freebies, so she wants me to pass it out to random people. All right, so we passed out like, that must have been like 40 freebies, 30 freebies. So shout out to everyone who got a freebie. Yo, being a guy here is actually low-key pretty good. There's no line for the bathroom. It's all girls in line. Guys, we made it to our floor seats. It's crazy. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Please drop a like, it really made me feel better. We have to walk a little over an hour back to the hotel just because I would call an Uber. I'm not that Chinese, but there's no cars are moving out of this place. It's like a lockdown, like you'll move like 100 feet in every like 20 or so minutes. So it's actually better to walk at this point. So yeah, wish me luck. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe we'll do another concert next time. Maybe I'm a part of, can I be a part of the army? Chantal says yes. All right, so I'll see you guys at the next concert. I'll see you guys. Thank you. Good night.